Supercars are usually fast, flashy, and totally terrifying to own. But what if I told you there are a few out there, real performance monsters, that won't destroy your bank account every time you turn the key? These are 5 budget-friendly supercars that are actually reliable. No Ferrari-sized repair bills, no mystery warning lights, just speed and smiles without the suffering. Let's dive in before the internet drives prices up. Number 1. 2003 to 2006 Porsche 911-996 Carrera look. It's the Porsche nobody loved, which makes it the perfect deal. The 996 generation 911 is the one with the fried egg headlights, the suspect IMS bearing, and the reputation that scared off purists. But here's the thing, once you address the IMS issue, which isn't even that expensive, these cars are incredibly reliable. You're getting a legit rear-engine Porsche with a flat 6 that revs to 7,200 RPM, 0 to 60 in the low 5s, and a 6-speed manual transmission that feels like it came from heaven. And you can find them starting around $20,000. That's Boxster money for a full-blown 911. Just don't expect anyone at the Cars and Coffee meet to stop you from parking in the back. Number 2. 2005 to 2012 Chevrolet Corvette C6. This is America's idea of a supercar. Big V8, plastic body, and reliability that'll shame most Toyotas. The C6 Corvette came with the LS2 and later the LS3 V8, pushing 400 to 430 horsepower with 0 to 60 in the 4-second range. But the real magic? This thing is built like a Chevy pickup underneath. It's easy to work on, cheap to maintain, and LS parts are everywhere. It's fast, loud, surprisingly comfy, and has actual trunk space. Plus, you can still find solid examples for under $25,000. That's less than a new Camry, and this one comes with bald eagles and burnout potential built in. Number 3. 2008 to 2013 Audi R8 V8 and R8? On a budget? With Audi reliability? Okay, hear me out. The first-gen Audi R8 with the 4.2-liter V8 is one of the most approachable supercars ever made. It shares a ton with the B7 RS4, including the engine, and it doesn't have the maintenance nightmare of the V10 model. It's mid-engined, all-wheel drive, makes 420 horsepower, and revs like a banshee. And unlike most supercars, it doesn't melt into a pile of error codes if it rains. You'll need around $50,000 to get a decent one. But for a car that looks like a spaceship and drives like a dream, that's a steal. Plus, it's one of the few supercars you could actually daily drive without hating yourself. Number 4. 1993 to 1998 Toyota Supra MK4. Non-turbo, yes. I said non-turbo. No, don't throw things at me. The naturally aspirated MK4 Supra is still a Supra. It still has the legendary 2JZGE inline 6. It still handles beautifully, and it's still built like a tank. No turbo means no boost, but also no headaches. These engines are bulletproof. The 5-speed manual is slick, and with a few mods, you can turn it into a proper performer. And while turbo models are going for the price of a small yacht, non-turbo Supras are still hovering in the $25,000 to $30,000 range, which is insane value considering the legacy and the fact that they'll probably be worth even more next year. It's not the fastest on this list, but it might be the one you keep forever. Number 5. 1990 to 1996 Acura NSX pre-facelift NA1. This is the thinking man's supercar. The first-gen NSX was designed to embarrass Ferraris and also outlast them. It's got a mid-mounted 3.0-liter V6 VTEC Magic, 270 horsepower, and a chassis tuned by Ayrton Senna himself. It revs to 8,000 RPM, it's insanely balanced, and most importantly, it just works. Like a Honda should. Yes, prices have gone up, a lot, but if you look hard, you can still find high-mileage NA1s in the $50,000 to $60,000 range. And here's the kicker. You won't need a team of Italian mechanics to keep it running. Just some oil, timing belts, and love. It's a supercar you can actually own and trust, which almost feels illegal. So, there you have it. 5 budget-friendly supercars that won't destroy your wallet every time a check engine light blinks. They're fast, iconic, and most importantly, they're not total nightmares to own. Got one of these in your garage? Dreaming of owning one? Tell us in the comments. And hey, if you like this list, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next round of affordable speed. This is Petrol Magazine, where we chase horsepower, dodge repair bills, and always root for the underdog.